It was almost a year ago that I came to a point where I either had to cancel my insurance or my medical aid. My name's Rihanna. I'm 55 years old and I still work 8 to 5. And suddenly, inflation caught up to my salary and I couldn't afford stuff anymore. I already cancelled Netflix, TV, and a lot of other subscriptions. But to have to cancel your medical aid or your insurance is not an option when you are 55 years old. But at that stage, also, I couldn't afford to buy my grandson a small cheap toy that he asked me for in a shop. And I felt so embarrassed because how did it get to that? And I searched and I found a lady on social media explaining how, with only a 2-hour workday, she makes an income in dollar. And, it made a difference to her life. She was also in a predicament financially. And I decided to leave my number and she contacted me. And you know what? That changed my life entirely. So I want to tell you here today, I want to give you hope and tell you that if I can do it, you can do it. I live in a small town in Mpumalanga. I'm actually very introverted. And if you told me a year ago that I had to make cringy videos for social media, I would have told you that no way, I'm not going to do it. But the reason for me starting this business was much more than being introverted, being shy, and not wanting to be judged and showing my face on social media. So I just want to give you a little bit of hope here to tell you if I can do it, you can do it. And with this business, we are part of a bigger picture of a community. So you're never alone. Someone will take you by the hand, and it's usually your mentor, and show you step by step what to do. So I hope to see you inside of our community very soon.